Welcome back to Creations for the Creator channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to see more videos like this. Today, you're going to learn how to draw a penguin. Did you know that penguins are the gateway bird at swimming? They're so fast, they can swim up to 7 miles per hour, which is faster than humans can swim. Even Michael Phelps. Penguins are also great parents. Some of them carry their eggs on their feet during the coldest times. Baby penguins cuddle on their parents' feet under their tummies to stay warm. Penguin dads and moms work really hard to keep their baby penguins healthy and safe. And while one parent is taking care of the baby penguin, the other will travel 300 miles or more to get food for the baby penguin. Baby penguins need their parents' help with everything. At first, they can't even swim because their feathers are not waterproof. Their parents have to get them all the food, keep them safe from storms, and teach them how to hide from predators like leopard seals. Penguin parents are very nurturing. That means they do a good job at taking care of their babies and each other. But did you know that God is also nurturing? He takes care of you by giving you air to breathe and food to eat and water to drink. God loves you and wants to take care of you through the hard and scary things that might happen. A couple of years ago, when I was at a zoo, I got to pet a penguin. He had strange habits. This little penguin liked swimming in the Shark Tank exhibit. Crazy. But the little penguin knew that his humans cared for him and wanted to nurture him. If he got cold or hungry, he knew his humans wanted what was best for him. In this same way, you can thank God for loving you and being with you, even when scary things might happen. Don't forget to check out our free coloring page in the description below.